Playtex Diaper Genie Carbon Filter, ideal for use by Playtex, is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. The Playtex Diaper Genie Carbon Filter adds another layer of protection to your complete diaper pail by absorbing and locking in odors. Some diaper pail accessories only work as deodorizers, but these carbon filter inserts work as the ultimate odor eliminator when paired with the complete diaper pail's double airtight clamps and the 7-layer odor-blocking refill bags. Made with activated carbon, the filter absorbs and blocks odors from escaping the diaper pail to keep baby's nursery fresh and clean. Easily replace the old one with a new insert every 30 days for ultimate nursery freshness. Lock-in odors. The carbon filter fits in the top of your Diaper Genie to absorb and lock in strong diaper odors and help eliminate any sneaky stench that tries to escape. Defense your diaper pail needs. The carbon filter is made for the Diaper Genie Complete, providing the ultimate odor-blocking diaper disposal system. Ultimate nursery freshness. It's recommended to replace the carbon filter every 30 days to keep the freshness alive. 4-month supply. Stay prepared and lock in dirty diaper odors with the manufacturer's 4-pack of carbon filters for your Diaper Genie Complete pail. Safe for your baby. Diaper Genie carbon filters are made with safe activated carbon that absorbs and blocks odors from escaping into your baby's nursery.